Okay, once again, no, continuations control, no? Again, follow this one. The case of Sorbito Ricardo, no? Here, pamasbati ito ni sila, no? Again, nag-abound sila monthly here, the Cebu, no? Philippines. Which no, 1 year and 2 months treated. But why, no? Again, why? Again, sakit yun, but I'm really sorry, no? Ayaw po ta, no? Again, we'd like to thanks, no? For the spreading the good news, Rick Studio. Then here, YT Gamers from London. And then my bossing to YouTube, no? And then film sections and Zoom in the TV. And here, number 1 in Europe. And here about George from Freedom in Canada, by which 2 checks already hold by the PayPal, no? For 3 weeks. Again, my dopamine run out already. So again, Google, thank you. Then YouTube, my bossing. Then this is the file for the patient, no? Again, documented as all, no? Here, again. So this is about 24 treatment session. I'm really sorry katong that time kahapon about nga because of the people what happened, no? I've been 7 hours in the computer, no? Again, 7 hours in the computer, by which again. So here again at gikuan si Chop again, gikuan tani siya og clipping. So here I is also a nurse, no? Dictionary of Health and Medicine, no? Blood circulation resembles this toy trains, no? The tracks are like veins and arteries, and the station are like the organs in the body. Again here, no? Again, so here again, so blood, everything is blood, no? Here's the liver, here's the intestines, here's the kidneys, and also the lungs, the heart, and the brain. Again, mo na siya toy ko, no? Mo lagi na yunani na to pag-educate, no? By which lagi masabtan, no? Especially pod nga. Again, here the methodology, no? Again, so here everything is the blood, no? Mo lagi nang atuang gikuan ng Arwin ergometer, the stress test millennium, no? Stress test millennium machine, by which nga pinaka-unique, no? No balance needed, no pain in the buttocks. So here the blood circulation also here, no? Again, blue is the veins, no? By which release its oxygen back to the heart. And here the arteries, no? So ato nang educate si Chuani again. So here, no? Again, more again siya choice. All about blood circulation, no? Again, karon so paliw ta to kapoto, no? Again, thanks for the iyahang ko, ano? Caregiver ato matabunan to. Again, the gasoline of Cho karon is about 5 kilograms. Itimbang to, no? So here, hold ta of 10 seconds. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, again. So, to flexion, extension, and abduction, no? Again, so here is about the hold isometric, no? By which lagi 100%, no? The muscle strength. By which lagi first natong treatment session, hindi kaalsa sa iyahang kamot lang mismo. By which treated in the medical 1 year, 2 months. Again, maybe this is my last yung paningkamot tigit nga maybe God's gift for me, no? Nga si show lagi pinatagan po tag award, no? By which lagi nga kining nga nanatay ko, ano? Na diploma paningkamot tigit pa magayo, no? By which mapakita lagi sa suyer ato nang gi-receive kacho ng case, no? Pito niya percutaneous here endoscopic gastotomy, no? Ano ato gikuan cho kay by which nurse lagi siya kini ako dili gini siya based on the Harvard and Hopkins lagi siya. Again tanan sa about nga malagi na research na to pinaka-popular hospital in the whole world and School of Medicine, which mo graduate lagi ka ilugan kuno ka whole world, no? So I based their ideas mo lagi na so about mind setting, no? And then education, what Malala said, you can shoot my body but not my dreams. Harty said, how many miracles pa? There you are, no? Again, Monisha Cho atong doing niya by which mapakita na to niya to inspire people, no? Again, thank you for the message of the YouTube. You inspired people.